viewers, I'm Advocate K.R. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today I'm going to talk about what is a company and the types of companies. So, as you all know that a company is a natural legal entity by the association and group of people of work together towards achieving a common goal or common objective. It can be commercial or an industrial enterprise. Different types of companies are taxed differently. Therefore, the taxation of the companies defines its types. Some of the main definitions of company are as follows. According to the definition of a company by Indian Act 2013, a registration association with an artificial legal person having an independent legal entity with perpetual succession, a common seal for its signature, a common capital, or comprised of transferable shares and carrying the limited liability. This is what company is all about. Now, I would like to tell you about the key features of a company. Number one key feature is it should be an artificial person. Second one is the separate legal entity. Third one is the incorporated association. Fourth one is limited liability. Fifth one is common seal. Sixth one is perpetual existence. Now, I would like to talk about the types of companies. The classification of company based on the liabilities are as follows. Number one, companies limited by shares. As the name implies or indicates itself, the liability of the company is limited to share price of each shareholder's personal assets of the shareholders won't be disturbed. Their responsibilities are limited to their debt of the company up to their share price only. Then, companies by limited guarantee. Companies by limited guarantee doesn't issue shares or have shareholders. They are usually non-profit organizations. For examples, NGO like non-government organizations. Now, unlimited companies. As the name implies itself, the liability of the shareholders is not limited to the share price they own. It goes beyond. Now, classification of company based on members. One person company. One person company is an Indian concept where a person can create a company without having partners, board of directors or shareholders. In OPC, you will have all the advantages of sole proprietorship. Now, sole proprietorship, as we all know that there was one case, Solomon versus Solomon. This is a perfect example of one person type of company where the single person is bearing all the profit and bearing all the losses. He is the sole proprietor, means any losses occurred, he will be responsible for that or he will bear that losses, and in case of any profit, he is the only one who will enjoy all the gain comes out of that particular business. So this is one person type of company. Then private company. A private company is a form of a company that doesn't offer its shares to the public like in the public companies. The number of shares are limited to close members. However, members can transfer their shares to anyone, but they can't offer it to general public. So, this is what company is all about and the type of companies. I hope you like my video. Still, you have any questions regarding what is company, its types, and what is the ingredients or key ingredients of the companies? Do let me know in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubts. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you super soon in my next video with some other topic.